Good morning, everybody. I am Dr. Vipin Vash. I am a practicing pediatrician in Dehradun. I have been practicing pediatrics since last 35 years. I want to tell you about this small simple device which is called as breathometer. And this simple device is like a tube. It measures PEFR, that is peak expiratory flow rate. And peak expiratory flow rate is a measure of the volume of air which is breathed out in the first breath of life. And it is a very simple device, and it will give us indirectly about the vital capacity of the lung and what is the resistance of flow. What is the status of the lung function. It is very important to have this device and to monitor every patient with bronchial asthma and respiratory disorders, because most of the children with respiratory distress who are more than 5 years, this device cannot be used in children less than 5 years, but children who are more than 5 years and adolescent, and you cannot depend on X-ray or even oxygen saturation. If you have to monitor the function and vital capacity, you have to measure this. You can use this device to measure the function of the lung. It is very simple. It is very important to keep this device at home. It is for home monitoring, and you just have to blow into this tube, take a deep breath inside and just blow with the best possible breath, and it will give you a reading which will tell you about your lung capacity. And if you keep on monitoring it, we just teach the parents how to monitor PEFR at home with this breathometer, and they can monitor their disease activity and it will tell us about the efficacy of the lung function and efficacy of the drugs. So just by monitoring, you can know whether your disease is under control, and you can increase the dose of the inhaled medication or decrease the dose of the inhaled medication by your PEFR reading. And if there is sudden drop in PEFR, then the patient knows that there is something wrong and he has to consult emergency immediately to see. And even if there is a more than 10% diurnal variation, morning, evening, there is a difference in the value of PEFR reading, then also the patient has to visit the doctor. So just by this device, monitoring the device, the patient can know that his disease process is under control, and gradually he can taper off the medication. So it is very important, and it is even the GINA guidelines tell that it should be used as a home monitoring device, and every patient who has respiratory problems, especially bronchial asthma, is important for him to have breathometer at home and monitor.